what type of income YouTube actually is. We are going to discuss this in this video so you can easily understand what type of income YouTube is. So you can easily understand this income type and you can make decision about your YouTube journey. You know, there are two type of income you can do with online. There are active income and passive income. So YouTube is passive income. So what is actually active income and passive income? Active income is if you do some job or business. So there you give your time or service and you earn from this, it is your active income. So if you work, you can earn money. If you don't, you cannot earn money. In passive income, if you upload your video and you get monetization in your YouTube channel, and years later you can earn money with the same video you upload 1 year ago. So this is passive income. So it is actually helpful for those people who want to earn solid money for their future. It can take long time, but it can help you for your long run. So guys, I hope you understand this concept. Now we move on the next concept in next video.